Imagine yourself in this Audi 2019 A6 2.0T Quattro Premium Plus. If you are looking for a first-class ride, you have found it. Enjoy these notable features: rear-view monitor and dash, steering wheel mounted controls, navigation, steering wheel mounted controls, voice recognition controls, blind spot sensor. Memorized settings includes driver seat, memorized settings, number of drivers, 2, phone voice activated, stability control and electronic messaging assistance with read function. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.